Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. As you can see, yesterday's price action was to the upside, but it's not very tremendous. So market currently still stands somewhere around these previous tops, local tops on the daily time frame, and around the monthly pivot point and this resistance. Although I dare to suggest that probably this resistance has been broken already by this move to the upside, and it was broken even previously by this swings to the upside. Well, looks like that our suggestion that we have announced in our weekly research about potential searching of the patterns that stands in a row with the weekly situation works. And as you can see, for instance, at the previous example of this bread and butter trade that was in a direction with the monthly overall situation, okay, that leads to some further upward move. So our suggestion was to search any patterns that stands in a row with the weekly chart, the weekly bullish situation currently, just to reduce the risk. And later, particularly, you will decide to hold position or to take the profit, particularly from some pattern that we used to enter in a row with the weekly direction. So my task here is to show you the patterns, and you should decide to take profit or to hold the position. But anyway, that is in general works. You can see that market can continue moving in a row with the analysis that we have made on the weekly time frame, now a weekly research. So if you have taken profit yesterday from the bread and butter trade, now probably you have to watch for some another patterns to trade, or if we will not get it, then probably we should be sure with the upward continuation. In this case, we could use some retracement to enter again on the long side of the market. If you hold positions, then some situation on the 4-hour time frame could be interesting for you because it adds some risk to the overall price action. Speaking about particular daily time frame, well, I do not see any new patterns right now, so it's I can add any comments here. So that just is continuation of the bread and butter trade. It's no patterns. Market still holds the bullish trend, but it's not currently at the overbought. So in fact, since this area have been broken already, so it's some space exists to the upside. Market in general could proceed higher. But now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frames, interesting situation that could worry us about the potential pullback on the daily time frame. What the situation is? That is potential for double top pattern. First of all, double top patterns very often accompanied by the divergence. So although we can see the trend still holds bullish and the MACD indicator hasn't changed to the downside yet, but still you can see the difference between the tops is significant. Here you can see this potential divergence that could be formed. Second, usually when the market forms the double top in recent times, the second top very often finished by the wash and rinse of the previous top. That has happened. This circle, you can see this high slightly higher than this one. We could be treated as the wash and rinse. And market now shows retracement from this pullback to the downside. So if market will break this high as the point of invalidation of the double top pattern, then probably yes, we could say that this pattern will fails and market is ready to continue move to the upside. But if this top will hold and market will turn to the downside, that could be really the double top. And the classical approach to the target estimation of the double top pattern suggests that the target will be somewhere around 127.50 area. That is the distance equal to the distance between the top of this pattern and neckline. Okay. In fact, that is all that I could see currently. So no other patterns on the market. Well, on the hourly time frame is also nothing interesting for me. Maybe you will find there something more to trade, but in general, I think that currently this is more significant pattern, at least the potential for this pattern. So it hasn't been formed yet, but still some menace from this pattern for those of you who hold bullish positions exists. So please keep an eye on this potential development. If this will be the probability that double top pattern will be formed, well, act accordingly with your position, manage your risk, manage your position, protect your profit. So, in fact, that's all that I would like to share with you today. Personally, I will be watching for this pattern. For those of you who trade on short time frames, scalp trader as the potential scenario, you could try to stick with this pattern and make the scalp trade on the short side of the market. Besides, price currently stands very close to the point of invalidation. So if even you will be wrong and market will accelerate further to the upside, your risk should not be too much. Well, but that will be, I have to worry you that will be against the major trend. So I suppose that you assess risks accordingly and understand all the problems that you could get when you trade against the major trend on the daily time frame. It's very, could say, not very safe trade, even if it will be based on some pattern, bearish pattern. So that is your choice to decide. I just would like to show you that this probability exists currently, that could be the double top pattern. So keep an eye on it and act accordingly.